Acharya online.
Good morning, the year 1 of class 5. Last day we had completed exercise 51 and today I want to explain chapter test of this chapter 8. As you know, in chapter test no extra type of questions are given. So already we have studied many type of questions. Among them, questions are given in chapter test. Some of them I want to explain you for this. Suppose they are given on the blackboard question number 1. 7 paise is written as. 7 paise is written as, you know, at first we should write rupees. This is international symbol of rupees. Now you know 7 paise. This is in one digit and you should write in rupees after point 2 digit. Because here no rupee, so before point will be 0 and after point you will write 2 digit like this, 0.07. This is your answer. Now similarly you can see question number 2 written on the blackboard. Question is number of paise in rupees 5 and 1 by 10 are. Here blank space. What will be? It means you have to convert this rupees 5 and 1 by 10 into paise. It means how many paise of this? You know, this is whole number part 5 and this 1 by 10 is fractional part. It is 5 rupee means 500 paise because 1 rupee has 100, 5 rupee has 500 paise. Okay, 1 by 10. It means 100 paise by 10. What will be? 10 tens are 10. It means 10. This 500 and this 10. What will be your answer? Your answer will be 510 paise. This is your answer. Now you have question number 3. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order, you know, it means increasing order. Otherwise, you also can say it from lowest to highest. Question is rupees 50.01, rupees 230.45, rupees 100.50. 3 are given. Among this, which is shortest, lowest? This rupees 50.01. This is lowest. After this is greater. Rupees 100.5. After this is biggest. Rupees 230.45. This is in arranged in ascending order and it is our answer. Now question number 4. Subtract rupees 15.85 from rupees 58.10. For this we have to arrange at first in column method. Column method, greater number will be written in upper side. We see here after from is given greater. So we write here solution question number 4. At first we write here rupee. This is international symbol of rupee. 58.10. Decimal will be written beneath decimal. This 15 is here written and this 85 is here written, minus sign will be written. Point beneath point. Now you will know subtraction. 10, 5, 5. Here left 0, borrowed 10, 8, 2. Here left 7, 5, 2. Here 5, 1, 4. This is the answer of last question. I think similarly, if you have to add some money, you will be able to do that. And after giving some word problem on the basis of addition and subtraction, you are already able to do solve. Thank you. Okay. Some homework. Your homework will be all given question of chapter test of chapter 8. Thanks.